Let's take a video of what we're doing. So we're cutting these quarters off right to that line there, and then we're gonna have a look in there and possibly fix that hole. There's no edge on here, which is weird. It's just one big piece of frickin' Bondo, all crispy down there. We looked at to access that. The back came off not too badly.
Not too terrible, a little rusty.
A little rusty under there. Oh, whoops. Whoops. Back of the bumper's not too bad. And that's all she wrote for now. We're gonna get that quarter panel zapped off now. Zap it. So this is a 4th plate. This is triple thick here. Can't quite figure that out yet, so they just went over it and over it. There's the filler. It's
look how thick it is here.
1/4 inch thick, at least. Right there. Same thing, 1/4 inch thick. So we're gonna have to grind all that down, get rid of all this filler before we can even attempt to put the new piece on. And we'll pull all this off, see if we can't save the inner. But that's why we cut around it, and then we'll chip that off. Okay, go for it. You want me to hold it up, or are you good right where it is?
No, just waiting for you to finish.
Go ahead. She's off. Some holiness going on there. Holigeness. We'll give this a clean up too while we're at it. Just it's not as bad as it could have been though.
Actually, not as terrible as I was expecting.
So that's good. We'll keep within the budget. But we still got to rip this off. We're going to probably have to build them a new lip on the inside there, but we'll see.
The new quarters have a lip.
They got one lip. Here, we have to have this lip to weld it to. Bzz, bzz, bzz. So that's, we'll go find that out once we get all that off with the chisels and stuff. Well, this car will be lighter. This is what I got out. Oh, geez. About 20 pounds plus all that metal. All out of the rear quarter. So inside there's your seat. So we're gonna have to pull your seat out because we don't want to fire. And we're trimming all this up, getting it ready, get rid of all that rust, and then we'll be putting new lip in there for you. We're gonna remove this section and make a new piece, put that in, but fabricate one section at a time.